Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make your own ringtone in your phone and set the ringtone for your cars. So first of all you have to open your file manager and you have to select the song which you want to make ringtone. For this you have to open Play Store first. You have to download the application MP3 cutter. MP3 cutter. You have to download this application which I am going to wait until it's downloading. Now you have to open this installing application. So wait sometimes. Open this application. Now you have to open this application. It's opening. Wait, give them permission. Continue. Now you have to allow and click on MP3 cutter. Skip the ads and select the song or track. Now you have to split any 30 seconds between them which you want to make into. Give them name. Now tune is setted. You can set as a ringtone by giving some of the permissions. You can also set this ringtone for specific contacts. Okay, like, share my video and support my channel. Thanks for watching.